Hello, awesome person. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then just welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. I do subscription box unboxings, makeup try-ons, and occasionally I throw something else in to keep you on your toes. And today, we're gonna just chit-chat and get ready because I have no more boxes until next month, but I still want to put content out. And I decided that I should go in with my Hip Dot Xeon palette and play with the purples since I played with the other side of the palette last time. So I'm going to be focusing on these colors today. Maybe some in the middle, but I played with these colors the last time. Okay, so let me do a swatch of every color that I use. Gonna prime my eyes. Last time I did not prime my eyes, and this time I'm going to, just to show you guys the difference. It goes on really good either way. And the pigment lasts. So it's really a preference if you want to prime them or not. Okay. So I'm going to use this motor brush to start with. And I am going to go in with Maize, which is this color here. That's what that looks like. I'm going to use that to just go ahead and base my whole entire lid. So how's everybody doing? It's a little chilly in northern Michigan today, so I'm wearing a hoodie. I don't know if it'll warm up because the sun's out, but I don't feel like it is warming up at all, honestly. And then after that, I think I'm going to go in with Whisper, and that is a purple color. It looks like that. I don't know if I want this brush. No, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to wash my brushes tonight. This is my BH brush. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. I think that tonight I am going to change out my background to my Halloween background because I am ready to decorate, and it is super close to October, so I figured what's a few extra days. And I finally got everything in for our collab giveaway that I'm having with Gracefully Cheryl and Johana Maysonet. So that video will be going up. All three of our videos will be going up October 1st. I'm not quite sure what time yet, but keep an eye out for it. And after that, I think that I am going to use the Wild River, and that is a lighter purple. See how beautiful these colors are. They're so beautiful. They're so beautiful. I am going to use another brush, and I don't exactly know what this is. I don't remember where I got it from, but yeah, that's the one we're going to use. Okay, And then I'm going to just take it here, lighten it up. Oh, I do love it. I do love it. I'm trying to make this video pretty short because I just want to let you guys know that I'm changing my background. I'm going to be having the collab video up soon, and then I forgot what I was gonna say. I tell you. Okay, so then I'm gonna go back into Whisper and put that under this part of my eye, just a little bit like on top, and just go like this. Beautiful, huh? Absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to blend it out. Alrighty. I feel like there's not enough purple on my lid up here. I mean, I don't know what that's called. So I'm going to take that Whisper again. We're going to go in up here with it. Oh, it's nice. Then I think that I want to use the same brush here and go into Mystery. Sorry, allergies, guys. And it's pink. Like that. And I think I just gonna put a little bit, and then I'm gonna bring it up here. This. Yeah, there we go. Pull that down into here. And then I'm going to grab the blendy brush and I'm going to dab into Majestic, which is, I told you I'm awful at swatching, which is a pink purplish. Just dab right into that. I'm going to take that right here. And then I'm going to blend it really good. There. That's what I'm talking about. I like them. I like adding a lot of color. I like using a lot of color. And I like making a lot of different looks with color. And I think the final and last color that I'm going to use is going to be Surreal. And that is a sparkly purplish brown. And that's why I added the brown in it. So it would kind of all go together. I could have used the Angel's Landing, which is that color, but I just thought that wouldn't go good. So we're gonna go with what I originally planned. And I'm going to use, trying to find a brush that I don't normally use because I have to wash all of them. Okay. I guess I can use this same brush. It's gonna get washed. All right, there's that. Let's see if that's going to work for me. I don't think it is. Let me use my finger. I don't know why I just don't start with my finger. As much as I hate using it. I seem to have to use it all the time. Okay. And then you want your blendy brush. Oh, there it is. I'm going to blend that. And then I want to try to get that in the corner more. Sometimes it's hard to work with nails. I don't know how. Nikki, did you see what I just did? Did you see what I just did? Because I had it on both my fingers. All right, well, I got that mess off my face. But what I was saying was, I don't understand how Nikki Tutorials does it, because her nails are like out to here. And I cut my nails down. I mean, mine are fake. I do it myself because I'm cheap and nails are super easy to do. But I don't know how that woman does it. All right, well, since I'm finished with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and just pause you, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I finished off the look. Look at my third attempt at doing a winged eyeliner, and this is the best one I've done yet. So I use The Ordinary Colors foundation in the shade 1.2 Neutral. And then I use this dollar store brand that we got at Walmart, Black Liquid Eyeliner, for $1 to do my eyeliner. I use my Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara, my Tarte C Curling Surf Curl mascara. And then I forgot to tell you, but I concealed with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow, and I used my e.l.f. Let me see if I can get it open without breaking a nail. There we go. My e.l.f. contouring kit, and I used my ColourPop blush in the shade Metro Right. Second, that shade, and then my Huda Beauty lipstick and Honeymoon to finish it off. So don't forget, I'm changing my background. The collaboration video will be posted on October 1st. Watch other videos for the time because we don't know yet. And that's all I have for today. So have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.